Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
My name is Femi Adebayo. I'm a filmmaker and the mayor of African Men Entertainment Kings. Yeah, that's a club.
Why did you choose to open this social club? Like, what does it entail?
Okay, so this club was provoked by the fact that we realized that our primary assignment is to entertain people. And we felt like entertaining people is a lot of work, which so many people that are entertained do not know. So we felt like, okay, we that entertain people should be entertained as well. So we realized that we work a lot and we should just create time for ourselves to also, socialize, all right? So we feel while we do the socialization, we should ensure that we assist each other in our chosen career and have fun while we do it, and also give back to the society that has made us what we are, in a form of a corporate social responsibility, and also to educate people and basically to socialize. Yeah.
So what is Afrimak like? How do people get to join Afrimak? Is it just for entertainers or all men?
Yeah, from the name, African Men Entertainment Kings, it's for entertainers and it's for men, And before you can be a member, it is very, very important that you belong to a professional entertainment body, because we need to emphasize that it is not a professional body. It is not a body that has come to, either compete with AGN, TAMPAN, ANTP, Ambassador or not. And we have all these, members of both TAMPAN, AGN and all that in this club as members. And today, where we at this inauguration today, you see the presence of the presidents of all these clubs that are, associations that I've mentioned. So it is not here to compete with any professional body. It's just a social club that we feel we deserve to be entertained and socialized as well.
Sorry, sir. Yeah. Over time, we've seen that actors, when they cannot work, that's when they cannot go on deteriorating health. Is this club also going to look after that?
Okay, so like one of the things we say, our slogan is Awara, which simply means we are together. A success for one out of us is a success for all of us. Okay, so definitely a challenge for one of us is a challenge for all of us. Okay, so in our constitution, we have made it mandatory as a member of Afrimak, you must, have a pension scheme and you must have an health insurance scheme. Okay, and this obviously will take care of members when you get to a particular age that you are not as strong as you are now to do what you do for a living. So that has been taken care of. It's one of our primary assignments. Yeah.
My mayor, why is it African men, not Nigerian men?
Okay, we intend to enlarge our coast aside Nigeria. Nigeria is an African country, and this club is from Nigeria. So, but we don't want to limit it to Nigerians. All right, we want to extend it to Africans in general. Entertainers are very wide. Footballers are entertainers. Musicians are entertainers. So we have considered all these entertainers to come together. So when we have footballers, for example, we can have those of them that play internationally. So we want them to, be recognized as African and be proud of Africa.
So much.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.